Ready to frag on the go? This video is your one-stop guide to pre-registering for Valorant Mobile on Taptap. First things first, what exactly is Taptap? Well, it's a popular platform for discovering and pre-registering for mobile games, especially if you're in regions where the game isn't officially out yet. Now, let's get you pre-registered. If you haven't already, download the Taptap app from your device's app store. It's available for both Android and iOS. Taptap has a very sleek and easy-to-use interface. Open the app. It should look something like this. Once installed, open the Taptap app and go to the search bar. Type in Valorant Mobile to find the game's page. Double-check the spelling. It's a key part of the process. The Valorant Mobile page should appear. You'll likely see some screenshots, a game description, and the money shot. A pre-register button. Tap that button. It's as simple as that. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know that you've successfully pre-registered. Keep an eye out. The game will send you updates, new information, and potential rewards when the platform is ready. Check out the game's page frequently for any other new information. Pre-registering usually unlocks exclusive content, like cosmetic skins, weapons, and in-game currency. These benefits depend, of course, on the game. Make sure that notifications are enabled for Taptap to receive updates about the game. This way, you won't miss crucial announcements, launch dates, and other exciting news surrounding Valorant Mobile. So that's it. You're now pre-registered and one step closer to dominating the mobile version of Valorant. Stay tuned for more updates, and happy fragging when the game's released. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips.